All right, so this is the pile of debris, okay? We cleaned out the bench. We got the liner all out of the track. I took my let me show you. I took my seal puller, okay? You put it in the track like so. And you loosen up all the dirt and debris, and you can even pry on the track and widen it enough so that the liner track or the liner bead fits in, okay? Then what I did was I took a garden hose. So then what I did was I took a garden hose and I just sprayed the track out. So now as you can see, it's nice and clean, ready to receive a liner. The seat is destroyed. And before we leave today, we're gonna put some fresh vermiculite right over the whole seat and let it dry tonight. And then tomorrow we'll put the liner in this little hot tub. You're the only one that zooms in and out for me, so. I didn't do 4K either. It takes a while to download 4K. I've been struggling with it. All right. Very peaceful sound, isn't it? What were you recording?
Zoomed out.
Were you recording my crotch? It's a good thing that you came out here today to take this all apart, because now this can dry overnight. Hey, you know how to put this auto cover back on? Because I forgot the code. There's a service code. I think it's